here, we start to feel alone in the big ocean. It's a little lumpy, not bad today. Just really gray. Yeah, just driving along, doing a little fishing. Back over there. Oh, definitely birds working. Down we go. Right by the plumber house. Yeah, we're flat out. Flat out in the ice, so ugly one. Here we are. The hunt is on. Patrol is set. Setting patrol now. And there's no other fishermen out here. So I'm in the screw 'em mode. I'm going to swim right through them. Let's see what happens. It's going to bug the birds, but the fish don't care. It's all about the fish. Lots of birds. And now my lure is in the strike zone. Let's slow down a little bit. These guys are pissed off. A lot of pissed off birds. Take it all the way down. Right there. Slow. There's the Waikiki Beach. Let's see what happens. There we go. Got away. Oh, he got away. Got away. Let's hit another one. There we go. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, almost lost that one. Oh, that's a nice little fish. He ain't big, but he's fun. There we go. Yes, sir. That's what we got here. Hopefully he's looking like he's okay. Not huge. Look at these birds. They're still blowing up. I want to get him in and get the next one out. Unless we can get some scale on him. If he's big, we're done. He's decent, but he's not big. Oh, whoa, nice jump, buddy. Wear yourself out a little bit. That's a fish. That's a nice little fish. Let's get you up here. Oh, you're a good sight. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, come on, buddy. Oh, you don't want that. Here. All right. All right. See, that's a pretty good fish there. Oh, let's just get you. Hey. This will make it. You want to make it easy? You make it hard. There you go. That's a good-looking fish. We're talking seriously 17 inches. There you go. Oh, look at these birds. Jeez. Catch another fish is going to look like a fishing video. I don't know what's up with that. I gotta figure out I know what I'm doing. Alright. And there the birds. More working the same slick. And we're just gonna do a U-turn here. But I got a buddy right here. Oops, oh, there we go. There we go. There's another one. You could tell he was right there. Took a couple bites. He's not big either. Nice size though. Probably, I don't know, 12. Those birds working over there still. Oh. Yeah, there he is. Looking good. A lot of splashy. Come here, buddy. All right, buddy. Come on. Oh. Come on. Yeah. Just takes a second. Let me get you out. All right. So, nice little hook set. No problem. Like I said, monster at 15. There we go. And we go again. This is just fun. Hopefully we'll get something low. There's rocks right there in front of me. Sorry. So they're right off the rocks. Which is gonna damage my brain. That was the rocks. And we gotta stay off them. That'll be the last run there. Alright. There we go. Oh, missed him. Dang, missed him. Oh, no wonder. And I'm weeded. So nobody's going to go for that anyway. There we go. Let's get this guy back together. Alright. Oh, by the way, that's what we're using. Little sheeple paddle tail. It's a Walmart special. Now, let's sink a little bit. Best paddle tail. These are little fish they're going at. These are little fish they're going at. So I want them to pull them through. There we go. Fish on. There we go. Yeah, there's a fish. Let's see. Little casting action. Oh, I don't think he's very big again. What the hell? He's pulling my boat around. That's a good sign. Oh yeah. He's in the range, baby. Woohoo. Let's let you just wear yourself out a little bit. You're a nice one. I'm just gonna let you shut off. Okay, let's look at this guy. Yeah, he's looking good. Still short. Come here, buddy. Nice hook set. Come here. Come here. All right. You might